Hi, it is Bai here. So glad you are here. If you want to work at home, for example, make a voiceover, some person want to make an ebook and just talk to the just speak to the phone and you get text, and they want to hire someone to read it to the text, and now you have a good tool to translate directly. And also, if you want to transfer from document from Word to a PDF, or maybe from PDF to the document. And because in so many websites, they are looking for so many people, and also professional voiceover, like good English and Chinese, Japanese, and all the other languages, and translate, and you speak to the voice. And this is the tool. Everything can directly, totally 7 tools. It is really a good news for the people who want to work at home for extra income. And also, you can earn big money. I introduced in this tool. Also, I made wonderful bonuses you can using it and combine this tool so you can make big money. So now I introduce the bonuses I made just for you. And this tool is actually this product software, you can also say. It is launched today, and I made this tool. The name is Click Home Income, and that is several upsells. It depends on what you want actually, and normally the price $19, and you can now get $17 for all the tools. But if you want to upgrade, you can get. It depends on what do you want. Actually, the basic $17, you can get a lot of easy tools, and that is for unlimited, allow you to create unlimited creation of every feature we have, such as unlimited voice and 41 languages. It is unlimited high VSL videos, create unlimited eBooks, and design unlimited sustained business logos and ebook covers. And unbelievable. Upsells number 2 is also normal price, 297. The down sell is 97, and you can unlock unlock done for you features in software, such as the ebook. That is your Oak ebook cover creator. It also have a special step-by-step training and how the templates and how to apply for the gigs at least. And upsell number 3, and that is Job Hunter, and that is 767. It is also unbelievable. And nowadays the lockdown, and a lot of people work at home, and so many business owners, and they want to not so many personnels, and they hired people who professionals. And that is the last 2 years. And the Fiverr and also Guru, and they have so many buyers. Every hour, thousands of buyers for jobs search is. So if we took this chance, we can thrive, really. It is unbelievable. And upsell number 4 is a new multiple stream of income masterclass, and that is also done sales for $27. And you can get increased members with skills to create multiple streams of income through 7 special select multiple streams of income masterclass. Upsell number 5, that is passive income masterclass, and is also $27. And that is skills to generate passive hand-free income through our special select multiple stream of income masterclass. Upsell number 6, and that is also unbelievable. You can I put everything in the scripts, and you can read it later, and also high ticket maximizer, and that is also done sell for $67, and that is hand-picked high ticket program choose for you and what can you earn better money. For example, some people create a logo for $5, and some people created a logo for 50. So which earn money easier, and what is the clever way? And they have also the cheat sheet, the list how you can write your profile, because the so many people choose the right people. Just like if we want to hire some person, which person you can choose, and we look at the profiles, how you write professional, and also check the customers, and you give a good sell, because every person only have 24 hours. You how many um, yeah task you can do it. And traffic booster number 8 is also down sale for $67, and you can tap into our gold traffic system that is generate 28 900 in 24 hours, and drive unlimited traffic, skyrocket your daily sales without spending a dime on ads. That is unbelievable. Nowadays, the software, they change so quick. Before the days, if you want buy one of the software, you will cost a lot of money. And nowadays, 7 best what I see software together, and it is so good price. It's unbelievable, and you can see that is here's some keys benefit. You can benefit in getting more than 29 payment. You get every click you get average is $29 you can earn, and one click income, it is happen instantly, and that is the bonuses I made for you, and that is normally valuable $427.95, and that is the inside is SS SEO Studio, and bonuses number 2 is a valuable $46, and that is learn how to get better conversions, and that is bonuses number 3 is learn how to drive traffic to your product. And bonuses number 4 is the value normally $267, and that is access the high ticket mastery. And bonuses number 5, and that is the extra bonuses. That is for all the vendors bonuses. And I give you also some extras bonuses tutorial for copywriting quick down, and also bonuses tutorial for building a perfect sales funnel, and also bonuses for email listing building blueprint. So all this together for $17, you get your tools and also my bonuses. And now I give you an introduce how to use these bonuses, use this tool. I give a short instruction. Now I'm in this platform, and that is get started. And for example, text to, oh yeah, this is how to start it. They give an introduction how to use it, and that is training sources. I will let you see. And that is the training PDF. I also give so many trainings how to use it. For example, that is easy to use and very easy to understand also. Pardon.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another training.
Yeah,
This time
that
we're
is
going to go over
the
article
inside, and you have the tool for voice maker and photo design,
So inside here,
and
there are three
yeah,
tabs and
and that is auto search. For example, if other people looking for write an article, and actually you are not a writer, the most people not, but you can using this tool become a professional writer. And normally if you see the profession you're using this tool and you do not like what they write, and this tool article spinner is rewrite using the same article, the text, and they rewrite, and it is just like in your way. And you can also write the keyword what the customer want. Maybe the keyword is make money online, and you want to online business and digital business, and some keywords right inside. And also automatically they can search, and you can also so many articles you can use, and that is everything inside
we're
is
going to
unbelievable.
go through the article spinner first. So the article spinner, it spins
Yeah,
existing contents and makes it
just like
new, avoid
you give
plagiarism,
a
and just
text,
give you fresh and new content. So
and
let's try
they
copy pasting an
rewrite
existing
in
paragraph. You copy it,
directly,
you paste it here, and then click spin,
see, and
and
rewrite.
there you have it. Once
Yeah,
you're
you
okay with
can
that, you
download
can
it, and that is unbelievable. And
click download to download.
also you can become an ebook cover designer, and also you can become a translator. You can become a voiceover if other people write an ebook and want to or give a speech, and they want to text to send to the people what it is everything about, because not all the people is online can watch the webinar or video, and they want to have a document, and you can using this tool just like a second you get everything done. So it is unbelievable. And you can write an ebook and design for photography, and design for logo, and design for e-commerce, because I can let you see how much people are looking for. That is actually the how much people are looking for the jobs, because the most millionaires, they have average 7 different income streams, and not only work at home one stream, because nowadays we cannot delay to our job and our society. We must have a more stream income, because you never know. But that is income stream number one. That is so easy. Normally the price is 5 to 20 per task in Fiverr, Upwork, and Gurus, and the different site. It is so easy to Word document to PDF, or PDF to the Word, and you using this tool, you get directly and send it to the customer. And you have also income stream writing fresh article, just like what I told you. You become an instantly and good writer professional. And that is also and design professional logos, and create ebook cover. And it is they have so many templates. You just click and put the text, and done. And also transcript speech to text, and doing voiceover and reading scripts. And you have you can choose so different languages and different accent, and mail, email, children, everything. And you can also ghost writing content. So people, for example, write something in their presentation or website, they want to using some professional writer, and you just get some information, you rewrite, and that is for you. You can personally put your word change or not, and it is unbelievable. So I hope you like it. And what I can say, what is $17 in our life? Just like several cup of coffee, drink somewhere, and this is invest in yourself, and that is you cannot pay actually. And normally only one tool you pay hundreds or thousands dollar, and maybe 2 years before, and now all the best two together, seven together is only $17. So if I were you, I will not uh, miss this chance. And also, I give you so many bonuses and much more. Normally, the price of the $1,000 together. So do not miss this opportunity. And thanks for watching and listening. And have a great day. Bye for now.